Let's see. All right, sir, you're Calvin Hawkins Jr. All right. And let me get you pulled up here real quick. And Miss, is it Bosley or Bosley?
Bosley.
And Miss Bosley, will your client waive the formal reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
Judge, there's something before you get started. I think we probably should put on the record, please,
Sure.
if you don't mind. Ms. Bosley's been made, the discovery's been made available to Ms. Bosley. She, online, she's reviewed it and she's reached out to me with some questions about the existence or the non-existence of some videos in this case. I asked my investigator, Alton Base, to reach out to the sheriff's department about whether or not there are additional videos that exist. And he did so, and he's informed that they do not exist.
Okay.
I think Ms. Bosley can maybe articulate it more as to why she thinks that there should have been, or why she has questions about it. But nevertheless, I suggested to her that, by all means, she could set it for a hearing. She can issue a subpoena for the officers. I certainly will do whatever I need to do to facilitate that if that's what she chose to do.
Yes,
Okay.
Your Honor. In the police report, the officer that pulled over Mr. Calvin stated that she uploaded a body cam footage and dash cam footage, and that was nowhere in scope.
Okay.
So that was our concern.
Sure. But it sounds like whatever they did with it, it's not there now, unfortunately.
Yes, Your Honor. I don't know what happened with it. So.
Okay. All right. Thank y'all for putting that on the record. And, but you want to go forward with the plea today. Is that correct?
Yeah.
And are we going on count one only?
That's correct. Just the state would abandon one of those enhancement paragraphs or punishment
Both of the,
enhancement paragraphs.
okay. All right. So Mr. Hawkins, in cause number 24, DCCR 1160, the state has elected to proceed on count one only. It alleges you committed the third-degree felony offense of unlawful possession of a firearm by a felon from January 31st of 2024. And how do you plead to that charge?
No content.
It's guilty or not guilty? I'm sorry?
Guilty.
Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Freely.
And are you pleading guilty because you did what they've charged you with?
Yes.
I have here on the tablet some documents that have your signature on them that the state's marked as exhibit number 1. Before you signed these, did you go over them with Ms. Bosley? Do you fully understand them?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand, if I follow the agreement that you've made with the district attorney, that you'll be waiving or giving up any right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you also understand, if you're not a U.S. citizen, that a plea of guilty or no contest may result in your deportation, exclusion from admission to the country, or denial of naturalization under federal law?
Yes, ma'am.
State tenders number 1, any objection?
No.
It's admitted. Is there any evidence that Mr. Hawkins is not competent?
He's competent, that's my knowledge.
Thank you. All right, sir, I'm going to find that you entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily. Find that you're mentally competent and you understand the nature and the consequences of your plea. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time find you guilty of unlawful possession of a firearm by a felon. Sentence you in accordance with your agreement to a term of 6 years in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Corrections. You will receive credit on that sentence for any time that you've been in custody that the law gives you the right to receive. I'm handing you the trial court certification. That shows that this was an agreement that I followed, and so you did waive your right to appeal. I also handed you a written admonishment regarding your ineligibility to possess a firearm or ammunition. Because of the judgment entered against you, you're ineligible under Texas law to possess a firearm or ammunition. If you have any questions about the laws that make you ineligible to possess a firearm or ammunition, or about how long that lasts, you can talk with Ms. Bosley. All right, good luck to you, sir. You can go back with the bailiff. And Mr. Coleman, would you mind helping out with that attachment?
Yeah, in fact, I'll ask you, Judge.